the Aerospace Corporation. Only around 10% of the 8.5-ton spacecraft is likely to survive. Only around 10% of the 8.5-ton spacecraft is likely to survive. This will most likely be its heavier components such as its engines, astronomer Jonathan McDowell of the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics said on Twitter. Remember, 1. This thing will re-enter spectacularly, but it will, almost super certainly, not hurt anyone. 2. We may not know that it's come down until an hour or so after it actually has done. The chances of any one person being hit by debris are considered less than 1 in a trillion by the Aerospace Corporation. Most of the space station will dissipate in the air, and a small amount of debris will fall relatively slowly before landing across hundreds of square miles, most likely in the ocean. The ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface. The European Space Agency said that nearly 6,000 uncontrolled re-entries of large objects have occurred over the past 60 years, and none of them have caused any harm. The largest object to re-enter Earth to date was Russia's Mir Space Lab in 2001, which weighed 120 tons. Meteorologist Brian Bennett said, "When it reaches 65 miles above the Earth, it will no longer be able to orbit and will begin its rapid re-entry." The Aerospace Corporation. Most of the space station will dissipate in the air. Atmospheric breakup will begin when it reaches 50 miles above the Earth and undergo a fiery re-entry until about 30 miles. Andrew Abraham, a senior member of Aerospace's technical staff, said, "We know that Tiangong-1 is tumbling, or at least it was when Germany took a radar update, so the question is it still tumbling, and is the tumbling getting faster or slower?"